Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So today I created this really easy, simple eyeshadow look. I only used two colors to create this look, and it's very neutral tone. So if you're a beginner, this is a very beginner friendly video. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below. So if you'd like to see how I got this video, then please stay tuned for the tutorial. Starting off, I'm going to prime my eyes with the LA Girl Concealer. I'm going to be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Palette to achieve this look, and I'm using the shade called Whimsy as my transition shade. I did dip into this shade a couple of times just to build up the intensity until I was satisfied, but of course you can do it as dark or as light as you want. Next, I'm using this fluffy brush with no product on it just to soften out the edges. Using some concealer, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I got a little carried away and I cut my crease way too high on this eye, so I will go back and fix it so that the other eye can match. Now I'm going to use this shade Bold, and I'm going to pack that right on top of the concealer. I'm going back in with that brush and I'm just sweeping it back and forth just to make sure that all the shadows are blended. Using this Revlon liquid eyeliner, I'm just going to draw a very thin line on the top of my eye. For primer, I'm using my NYX Angel Veil primer. For foundation, I'm using my favorite Maybelline Super Stay foundation. If you guys have any favorite foundations, let me know down below in the comments so maybe I can try it out and I can stop using the same thing. I'm going to conceal with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cafe. I'm setting that concealer with some Bae and I banana powder. Somehow I lost the footage of me contouring and also applying my shadow under my lower lash line. I just used that shade Whimsy for the shadow under my lower lash line. So right now I'm just lining my lips with the Jante Blue lip liner in the shade Brown Sugar. Now I'm taking this Hydra Matte liquid lipstick from Gerard Cosmetics in the shade Share. I'm going to set my face with the BH Cosmetics setting spray.